Hello everyone, Justin here, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a plant Pokemon, this time named Victreebell. So let's start by drawing the leaf that's on top of its head. So start by drawing a curved line to the left, coming down to a point, and then we're going to go out here kind of like a heart shape. Go out, and we'll stop there for now, because what we're going to draw is from here, from the center, we're going to draw the rest of the upper part of the leaf out this way to the right. So coming from here, up and back down. That's the end of the leaf. Let's bring it back to this curve. And now behind here, coming off the center, is this vine that grows up and then behind him. So let's just draw the top part of that vine now. Okay, and then let's draw the other side of this leaf, which just like here comes to a point. So from here, let's just go out to the side, short distance, and draw the top part of the leaf coming back to that vine. Alright, so now what we're going to draw is the mouth. The mouth sits right underneath the leaf here. So we're going to go out here and start curving it back up. So an inside curve first, and then start curving it back, round out the edge, and then back. Let's give these lips some thickness. So a line parallel then right here up to here, and then we're gonna draw one of the teeth right here. So just a curved line underneath, coming to a point, kind of like a teardrop shape. So let's continue these lips off to the left, and then we'll have another tooth right here. So curved line, and then bring it to a point, curved lines. Continue this line for a short distance there, just to show that it's folding, and then finish off the other side of the lips. So this whole area inside will be black. Alright, so now what we can draw is the body, and it's just gonna go down here and then start curving up. So this looks like a peanut basically. So let's just go down just a big curve and then start rounding out the bottom. So on either side of the body are a couple leaves. So just basically a teardrop shape. So let's just start by drawing a line, going down, and then start curving the bottom like that. And then we're going to go back up to the tip of the leaf, change the direction of the curve, and that'll be the tip. So we're going to bring this back down for the other side of the leaf, and then curve it in. So this line right here would be the middle of the leaf. So now we can finish the body. It goes behind the leaf here and continues on right here, and curve up to the lips. Underneath the lips then are actually the eyes. So right here, let's draw his left eye first, just a curve, and then his pupil, and leave a highlight there as we blacken it. And let's draw the other eye right under here. Okay, and pupil, and kind of like a shadow between the eyes, just blacken that, and same here in the corner. So let's draw the other leaf. So starting right about here, let's just draw up and then back down to the body. So here, go up, curve it, and head back to the body. And let's draw the far side of the leaf first. So coming off that line, let's draw another curve, and now we're gonna go ahead and draw this side of the leaf. It's gonna curve out here quite a bit and then back. So let's start here first, because this is gonna kind of fold on itself. Out and round out the bottom, and now we can finish off the tip here. just draw a line directly across. So you can see how this line shows that it's folding on itself over to the other side. Next, let's draw its tail, and it's just gonna go out this way. So first, let's draw a flame-like shape out here. Just draw a line that curves out at the bottom and then tapers to the tip, kind of like a teardrop shape. Let's draw this line then back to the body for the tail, and it gets a little bit thicker as we get closer to the body. And now let's draw these different spots on its body. Some are 5-sided, some are 6-sided, but they vary in shape, so let's just kind of put those in. Next, I'm going to draw some shadow lines, and these shadow lines indicate the separation between the different shades of the color. So this whole leaf, of course, is green, but this part here will be lighter because it catches light, and then on the far side will tend to be the darker side. So if this was a color by numbers, this would separate those shades. So one more thing we need to do is go ahead and finish this tail, which is actually its vine, which started, remember, from the top of its head, goes down and then ends up right here, which looks like a tail. So from this line, let's just continue it down and give it some thickness. Okay, so finally what I'm going to do is I'm going to outline this drawing just to make the drawing a little bit more interesting and kind of help separate the body parts a little bit better. And the variation in line width just tends to make a drawing more interesting, depending on what your goal is. And I'm also going to taper some of these lines. So right here, I'm going to make this part thicker, and this makes it a little bit more dramatic and graphic. Now I'm going to go back to my thinner Sharpie just so I can taper these a little bit better. The thick Sharpie is a little bit too wide, and I still want to get that really nice taper to our original line. Okay, so that should pretty much do it for Victreebell. So thanks a lot for watching. I hope you got something out of this, and if so, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next time with the next tutorial. Have a great day. Bye.